Asus ROG Strix on the left, HG27 UCD MG. And the right hand, we have the Samsung Odyssey G65B. Like this game guys, you cannot notice the quality, not almost the same. But in the dark scene, OLED is win. OLED versus BE. (27) versus 32 inches on the right hand. So as you can see guys, OLED is more vibrant color. But this BE guys is near to OLED also. The OLED on the OLED one is, the black is perfect, like 10 out of 10. On the BE is 8 out of 10. It's near to OLED. Guys, tell me which one you like, which one do you prefer? For me guys, if you ask me, yes of course OLED is for me. ROG Strix HG27 UCD-MG, Samsung Odyssey G65B. It's BE panel on the right. On the left is OLED. You cannot notice the difference. But in the dark scenes, you will notice the difference. But the OLED black is perfect. But I like the 32 inches guys. We are playing Xbox Series X. And I am expecting only clarity guys is almost the same. It run 120 Hz. Nada-damage ka pala niyan, Doy? Tinapon mo. Tinapon mo may damage ka. Carl, patay mo muna ng tubig sa CR. For me guys, I can confirm in person because in camera guys is not 100% accurate. Person guys, OLED is win for me.
Oh, yeah.
Try ko, zero boot na. Reboot, zero. May one more pa? So guys, our video take it long. It's 1 minute now.
Mahal na daw maglibot. May minutes na daw maglibot.
OLED versus BE.
Tagal ito.
Guys, the brightness is not already standard or maximized, guys. We already adjust the brightness for our
Oh! May mistake!
excuse me.
Ayun. Ayun, tama ako.
Dead ka na. Okay guys, bye. We are number 7.